Here the mom is rotating her eggs. Notice how she does this while still protecting them. This way they stay warm and aren't exposed to predators. Eggs need to be rotated so that the owlets in the egg get enough albumin. That's the egg white part of the egg. It provides nutrients to the developing chick. Why do great horned owls nest so early? Nesting early entails some risk. Eggs must be kept warm and incubated, which can be a challenge when the temperature is in the single digits and snow is falling. Female owls must stay on the nest for long periods of time because if the eggs become too cold, they won't hatch. This is why most birds wait until temperatures are warmer. Well, why do great horned owls nest early? Owls are large birds. It takes them longer to grow and mature than a songbird like a cardinal. Young great horned owls must also master complex hunting maneuvers. They are equipped with superb senses, but hunting still involves learning, trial, and error. Hatching in March means they're ready to practice their flying and hunting skills when the weather is warmer and there is still a lot of prey. Listen closely, you can really hear the babies peeping in their shells. And here the first baby has broken a hole through the shell. This is called pipping. This is when the chick starts breaking through the shell using a hard projection on its bill called the egg tooth. The resulting hole is the pip that the chick enlarges to finish hatching. Young pip the egg and emerge without assistance from their parents. The next clip is going to be the owl eating a squirrel if you don't want to watch. Up until now, I have only seen her eat rabbits. Oh, did she just yawn? A good reminder that the mom is very tired. Her eggs are about to hatch and she needs all the rest we can give her. Please continue to be respectful of our owls and quiet around their nest. Look in this circle. There is nothing there, but you can hear the chicks peeping. And now eggshells have appeared. That means our first chick has hatched. The female sits on, called brooding, her chicks when they are very young to help keep them warm until they can grow enough feathers of their own. The female does not sit down on the chicks hard enough to smother them. The owl chicks can breathe even when the mother is brooding them. Here is the second egg, still not hatched, and here is the fastest view of our new owlet. The mother does not leave it for long at all. Listen closely in the next clip and you will hear the chick tell its mom it's hungry. It's not a cute peeping, but a hungry screeching sound. Notice how she propped herself up on her wings to feed her baby while still protecting it. And here she is grasping prey in her talons and ripping off small parts to feed directly to her chick. Wait, did Mr. Bryson put this flag in the nest? We'll have to be on the lookout for him. And our second owlet has started pipping. Notice the hole in its egg. And here our first owlet is 1 day old. And here, both of our owlets have hatched. Owlet number 1 is 2 days old, and its younger sibling has just hatched today. I'm going to leave you with a video of our mama protecting her babies during nasty weather to remind you she doesn't have it easy out there. Please continue to give her a quiet space to raise her young. There is nothing visible in the nest from the ground yet, so please enjoy our owlets through this video. We'll take you out to see them as soon as it's safe.
Hey guys, want to go see the owls?
Oh yeah, we should go and wave our arms and jump around and see if they'll answer us and see if their heads will pop out.
Yeah, that would be so cute.
Maybe we should let them grow and thrive. And there's other things to do in the woods, like play in the stream.
Yeah!